Hello, this is Patricia from Pinky's World. I'm back again to show you how I did the stamped end of the wee boxes from the previous video, so I hope you get time to join me. This is the stamp set I'm using. It's called From Our House to Yours, and the three colours that I'm using are Old Olive, just for the wee tree. The main stamping will be in Cherry Cobbler, and I've added a wee bit of basic grey. So start off with your Cherry Cobbler. Stamp both houses, just using the wee small house again, and we're going to leave a slight line at the bottom where you can see I coloured it in with a pool party just to add a snowy sort of cold frosty bottom. Just ink up your stamp and keep your thing nice and straight, and we're going to have one house here and another one just in the same colours because we're all living in the same street. Just to the other side. Now we need to do the houses, the roofs, sorry. This lovely basic grey old pad which I hate opening and closing. So I've picked the wee roof, exact same one, just basic grey, stamping it up, and just you need to hover over the top. There's actually a gap there. If you'll see, the point should see your burgundy stamping there. There you go. And just do the same for the other side. And again, follow that point, tilt it slightly, and there you have it. So we need to go back now with our red, or what do you call it? My goodness, Cherry Cobbler, and we're going to stamp this. So you can rearrange this stamp on your board if you want to make it that it's not as far apart. So that's coming out of his roof and into there. So the heart's sort of hitting there. Perfect. And we need to do our sentiment, which we're also doing in the Cherry Cobbler, and it reads, From Our House to Yours. You can put it entirely different. You could just say Happy Christmas or whatever at the top, but this is what I used. So I'm centering this one in the middle of that, I hope. So stamp that on there. And then the only other thing we might want to do is put a wee tree in between there, so we can close this out grey. Hope it behaves itself. Yep, it did. So we want to go with Old Olive for this one. And because this tree is a wee bit bigger than what I need for this particular one, because the house is so close, you want to just stamp half the tree. And we've also, whenever you get a stamp set, my advice to you is to make yourself a few wee masks immediately. Just stamp onto sticky back paper, and it covers, you'll have them, keep them in your stamp pack for whenever you want to use them, which means you don't have to make them constantly. Just make them the once when you get a new stamp set. Anything you think you're going to mask, make it up. That's two different houses, but it does my job. So I want to ink up to down to about there. We don't want a big giant tree, so we're just going to go down near the bottom, and then we'll add a trunk ourselves. Hopefully that's it. So we want it just coming just not completely at the bottom, but close. That should do the job. So remove your masks again, and you're just going to need your pens. I have used dark soft suede, which I'm going to use for a wee trunk just there. And this is the dark pool party, which I'm going to use for around the grounds. Just colour in all along the bottom there. There is wee snowy hill stamps and stuff in there if you want to really go to town on your decoration, but we're in a hurry here. So I want to just round the corners now. I think gives it a nicer wee finish. I could do with a wee sharpen, couldn't it? And then we're just going to put some large dimensionals on the back to support it well. And that was fairly quick now. It didn't take too long. But it is a great wee stamp set. You can do lots of wee layouts and scenery and stuff for your matching cards, you know, give them a matching card with it, would be lovely. And just pop it on there. Oh, forgot to stamp the doors. Don't forget your doors. I'll just show you them now. I actually used 2 different doors. Yep. Need to get somewhere to stamp with now. So I did these in grey. Totally forgot about them. Twit. For speed, we'll just give them the same door, but there is lots of wee doors to choose. There's actually 3 for the wee tiny house. And, well, actually they'll fit in all those houses. So, and there's a house you can build up and you can make it taller and taller, and you'll have good fun. It's like playing dress up one of your houses. So get that centered in the middle and stamp it. Not too bad considering I haven't much weight behind that. Same again there. Center it up. And there's 2 nice front doors, and you could add wee bits of yellow using your markers to make the light be shining out or whatever, but either way it all looks really nice. I'm very, very pleased with these wee boxes. They are great, and as I say, dazzle up the scene. You can go with any colour. You could change it all to blues or greys or greens. You choose your own Christmassy colour, you know, to suit your estate kind of thing. So that's me. Remember, when you get your new stamp set, always make yourself a wee mask. Great tip. Bye.